Hello and welcome to my first video for a very long time, and it's going to be an unboxing of my brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black. Just received it in the post today. Day late, for some reason it got delayed for some reason, but I did pre-order from GoPro and here it is. Not available in the shops yet. So but the box, I've not owned a GoPro since a Hero 4 Black, so however many years ago that is, 5 years I guess. But I've got some big plans coming up, some big motorcycle travels, and I want to document it. So I've invested in one of these. It comes in a very similar box as they did before. Specs on the side here, and some promo of the app on the back. What's included, and here it is, looking all snazzy. Looks a bit different from what I remember. No case, much smoother. So let's open it up and have a look. On the bottom here we've got a serial number. And it just slides on out. Nothing special about that at all. Here it is. So now we remove this. Screw that, and we have the camera. It's roughly the same size as I kind of remember. Like I said, I've not even had my hands on any of a GoPro for some time. I think the screen on the back is some kind of sticker protector. This is new though, the fold out clips. They've got a nice feel to them. Metal for sure. Replaceable. I've seen the purchasable on the website already. Let's take a look, see what we get in the box first. Thumb screw looks a bit different from before. Slightly beveled differently, that's all. Still got the access to put a, that's not a posi, just a crosshead screwdriver in there. Somehow this opens, there we go. In the box, charge cable, nothing special. Now I've heard about this, and I read on the side of the box that you only get one of these sticky mounting pads now. One battery. It's quite small there. That's quite nice. And let's say GoPro Plus. I read about that. I'm looking into that a bit more. Undamaged, damaged camera replacement, no questions asked. Yeah, I generally look after my stuff and don't have too much issues. And unlimited cloud storage for your GoPro. Yeah, I think where I'm going, it's going to be a bit tricky getting to that, uploading and stuff like that. So I'll look into that more. Have questions, chat. Yeah, look into that. Yeah, quick start guide, stickers, always cool. And full on instruction manual. I shall read that later and get back to you. And then, okay, so the battery, one sec, I think I've got some old. So this is an old Wabasi Power from a Hero 4. Yeah, about the same size. Okay, definitely not going to fit though. And I've also got this non-replaceable screen. Interesting, I might get myself like a Gorilla Glass cover for it. It would be a wise investment, I think, and probably one for the back of the screen. See, this comes off. Bear with me. Okay, cool, so there you go. And then side door access somehow. There we go. Little slot for the memory card, battery, and there's the charge point. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to, the moment until we get on one of the add-on cases, I'm not going to be able to charge the camera whilst doors open. Well, while the door's closed, you have the door open to charge. before I was doing some time lapses, I would have the attach a battery pack to the GoPro and then leave it all night, get the stars going. It might be a bit of a trickier thing to do with this one. Okay, camera in, battery in, camera in. I've got some bleeps. Now I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm going to have a read and have a play, and I'll get back to you. I also got the free memory card that came with the pre-order. So there is the unboxing of a GoPro Hero 8 Black. And stay tuned, subscribe, like, and then you can follow my travels. See how I get on.